What's good, y'all? BTC the Villain back with another unboxing from GOAT. Let's get right into it. Alright, as you guys can see, this is an all black Nike box. It has the Kobe logo on it. The box is matte, but the Kobe logo itself is shiny. So as we take this out, pull this to the side, get into the sizing label. Kobe 5 Protro, wolf gray, black and white, size 13. Retail was $180. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and be honest with y'all. I paid resale for these. I felt like I had to. Alright, go. And there's your quality control thing. Alright, now as we peel these, take this back. As you guys can see, these are the Kobe 5 Zebras, aka the Demar Derozan PEs. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out the box. Alright, so getting into a closer look of these Kobe 5 Zebras, aka the Demar Derozan PE. Let's just start from the toe. The toe is, you see the zebra pattern, and underneath that it's kind of some textured type material. I don't even know what to call that, but if you look closer, it's iridescent under it. KB on the toe. This part around here, it's all like some type of checkerboard design. And then you go around, black swoosh, some more of that zebra pattern with the iridescence. The mesh collar also has the same checkerboard design. One around the back. The back has the black heel cup, the gray Kobe signature. Go around the other side, it's more the same. Gray midsole, black carbon fiber shank, black Kobe logo, and the storytelling outsole. Moving up to the tongue, it's a mesh tongue with these thin laces. A black Kobe logo with the gray, I don't want to call it marble. I don't even know what type of material it is, but as you can see, it's some more of that iridescence. It's the same thing that's on the toe and the sides, except with the zebra pattern. Gray laces, black lining with the 24 insoles. I'll take those out real quick so you can get a better look. So I took out the insoles, and one thing I never noticed, because I never had a pair of Kobe 5s, is Kobe's face on the insoles, along with 2 and 4. His face is in red, and then you have the gray and the white, which ties along with the colorway. Alright, so that's basically my unboxing of the Kobe 5 Protro Zebra, aka the Demar Derozan PE. The reason why I paid resale for it was because, I mean, Kobe's my favorite athlete of all time. And I felt like, because I struck out on the other Kobe 5 releases, I had, not only because Kobe's my favorite athlete, but because I'm a big DeRozan fan too. And the reason why I like DeRozan so much is because he liked Kobe. And so I wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys what else, other Kobe kicks I got in my collection. So I have these, which are a thing called closeouts. The Kobe 1 Protro here. And then I have the Jordan, the Kobe 7 box, my bad. These are the Galaxies. They're kind of beat. I've only worn them a couple times, but I got them used on eBay for about $150 a couple years ago. And then I also picked up the Black Mamba jersey. I got lucky. These released on Nike sneakers, but also released on the NBA store. I got lucky on the NBA store and got it off there. So as you can see, it says 8 on the front, 24 on Bryant on the back. And one last thing, 2K21, I got a physical copy, just so I could get this steelbook that I haven't opened yet, and I don't think I'm gonna open it at all. I'm just gonna keep it like this, keep it in my collection with all my other Kobe stuff that I have that I'm not gonna touch. And so again, this is the Kobe 5 Protro Zebra, aka I'm keep saying this, aka the Demar Derozan PE, because that's what they were called first. That's my review of these. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys have a good one. Peace.